Let me see. Jamboard. Okay, now I'm routing to Jamboard already. Okay, good. Can you see I'm online Jamboard already?
Let me check.
I see you are there.
Yeah.
And can I ask? Hold on. Okay, can you write something on the Jamboard so that I can see whatever you are writing?
Okay.
View only. Request edit. Hold on. Okay. You need to give me access to edit. And now I send you.
Okay.
Send. So you can write, I can write. I just send you here. You receive my request to write?
Yeah.
Hey, your mom is there.
Yeah.
Can you ask your mom? I just want to talk quickly with your mom for a while.
她要跟你讲话。
You also need to listen. You also need to listen. So when is your test?
Hello。
哎，妈妈你好，很久不见。哎，我问一下你女儿啊。哎，Charmaine, when is your upcoming test? Which date?
我去看。I think it's 21.
21st. Okay, 21st. Let me see. Let me double check.
Let me check.
No, never mind. I can check. 21st is Monday.
21.
Okay, 21 is Monday. Okay 啦 can. Yep, 可以了。
Monday 啊 ，21 is Monday 啊。
Mathematics mathematics.
对。
OK， 那就可以。我们还有一个星期，那就没有东西。OK， 可以了。
下个礼拜去你家。
OK， 好，可以了。
谢谢你啊。
不客气，你妈妈，谢谢。Okay, so it looks like okay, now I can edit. Good. Okay, let's work on your revision materials first. You know how to upload your revision material now? Never mind, I will help you do all this heavy lifting. I don't think you can easily do it. You just sit there and relax while I do all the heavy lifting. You just sit and enjoy, right?
No.
What no? That's what you're trying to do. Sit there, relax, wait for me to do all the heavy lifting, like upload whatever, Okay, let me look at your revision material. Okay, I know. Let me get this to your Jamboard. Select a file. Okay, I'm going to select a file. I'm going to select from you are sharing screen, right? That means you cannot see my screen, right?
I am not sharing screen.
So anybody is sharing? Nobody is sharing?
No.
Okay, never mind. So I will just upload the revision material over there. Hold on, let me see. Okay, good. Open. Select file is not supported. It says not supported. Okay, let me see. What's wrong? Add image. Okay, I can only add image. Okay, but never mind. Let me just get it. Maybe I can share my screen. Then you know what I'm talking about. Never mind. I don't want to share screen then. Just get the question out. Okay, good. Let me go and get the question to image. Then. Okay, good. You should be able to see the image pretty fast. Hold on, let me quickly just do some tidying up here first. Okay, good. How do I? Okay, good. Okay, ready. Okay, it's uploading. Okay, good. Can you see? I have uploaded this.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, good. So do you have any idea how to do this question?
Or
Yes or no?
no.
No. Do you know what the question is asking about or no?
No.
Okay, good. So over here, right? Okay. Good. So basically, you have this. You call this a machine. Do you? Yeah, it's a machine. So for every machine, right, you have an input, and then you have an output. Okay, so you input something to the machine, and then the machine will output something for you lah. It's just like, you give. Let's say you give. You know a vending machine. You know our vending
Yeah.
machine. So probably like you put a $1 coin inside, and then they will give you a drink.
Yeah.
Okay, so your $1 coin is an input lah. Okay, and then the drink is the output for this vending machine. Can you see what I'm writing or not?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So this is the basic concept of a machine. Okay, but now you have this machine, and this machine is not okay. It's similar to our vending machine, but it's not exactly the same. Okay, so I'm going to choose a different color. So this machine, right? The interesting thing is your input is X, and then the machine will somehow plus 7. Can you see? The machine will plus 7 to the X, and then will give you the output Y. Okay, so in this case it says what? It says the input is X equals to 3. Can you see? X equals to 3.
Yeah.
So basically, right, your input is X, so your X now is 3, so your input now is 3. Okay,
Yeah.
and then what is going to happen? The machine will add 7. Can you see add 7 here?
Yeah.
So the machine will add 7 to the 3. So you add 7 to the 3, you will end up with what? Are you following or not?
7 plus 3.
Yeah.
10.
Yeah. So you will output the 10. So the value of Y in this case, Y equals to 10 for A. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, we look at the second machine. This is the second machine. Now the input is X. Then they say X is equal to 3, right?
Yeah.
So that means your input is 3. And then what is going to happen to this machine, right? This machine will 5 minus 2x. And in this case, x is, what is x? What is it? 3. So you replace your x with 3. So no more x. I replace it with 3. So now you have 5 minus 6. So 5 minus 6 is?
5 minus 6. Negative 1.
Good. So your output y is equal to negative 1. No? Are you clear?
Yeah.
Are you clear? So basically, right, if you were to, okay, let me go to the next page. So basically you can design a machine by yourself. So let's say this is the input. So now instead of upside down, and then I just left and right. Okay. So what if my machine is a 2x machine? 2x means 2 times x lah, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now if I have an x here, I 2 times x, my output will be, so the input is x, the output will be 2x. Okay? Are you clear?
Yeah.
So what if I input 3? What if I input 3 into this? What is going to happen?
You must replace the x
Yeah, with
with 3.
Yeah, replace x with 3, so what's the output then?
2 times 3.
Which is?
6.
Yes. Okay. So this is another machine. So what about if I give you this machine? So this machine is, I'm going to like 2 times x, I need to plus another 2. Look, you need to look at the jam board. Okay, so now the input is x, so this is the input side, so this is the output side. So now instead of x, right, now I put a 3. So what is your output? You 3 inside, what is the output in this case? Are you calculating? Are you calculating? How do you get it? This is my machine. It's 2x plus 2. The machine is 2x plus 2. Okay? So I put a 3 inside now into this machine. So what is going to be the result? Output means result lah. Outcome. Are you thinking or are you working on it?
I'm thinking.
So what are you going to do? If now I give it a 3, so what are you going to do? So just now is x. Just now is x. Now I don't put x, I put 3. So what is going to happen? You need to replace
X
with,
the 3.
yes. So what's the answer?
6.
Wait. We are talking about 2x plus 2. So you have 2x plus 2, and now your x is, you replace your x with,
3.
so you end up with
8.
y. Because 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, right?
Yeah.
Okay, next, one more. So let's say my machine now is called 3x plus 5. So now I input x equals to 5 inside. So what is the outcome? What you need to do? Tell me what you need to do first. Replace the x with?
The 5.
Okay, and then?
And then the answer is 20.
Yes. You replace the x with 5. So 3 times 5 plus 5, because I have, so it's 20. Are you clear? Are you clear how to do this question? Input, output. Are you clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next. By the way, some of the question you never do. Is it because you don't know how to do, or what?
Because exam
Or
just says
not-
he will go through.
Or not tested?
Some say our teacher will go through.
Go through. Go through means you also need to do, right?
Like he want us to look at the question, and then on Monday he will teach us.
Oh, okay. But now I already teach you the machine one. Okay, now you should be looking at the another one. You should be at slide 4. Can you see slide 4? I have uploaded another image.
Yeah.
So what is the image you see? Just tell me what you see. Yeah.
It's the table.
Okay, yeah. So let me just zoom in. Okay, so now what you have is, can you see you have an equation which is y equals to x plus 1,
Yeah.
which is given by the question, and now they ask you to complete the table. Do you understand what do you need to do? Complete the table. Do you know what?
To fill the table.
Yep. So you need to fill up the table, and the only value you need to fill up is the y value, because all the x value is given already, right?
Yeah.
So how do you fill the y value? How do you fill the y value? Huh?
Replace the x.
Okay, let's say for the x equals to 0, what you do?
0 plus 1. So
Yep.
which is 1.
Okay, good. So y equals to 1. Very good. That's how you fill up the first column. Next. This one. Second column.
2,
Okay, good. Next.
4.
Huh? 4? How do you get 4?
3.
Okay, good. Next.
4.
Next.
Right.
Good. Okay, good. So basically, right, do you know that we talk about, okay, now they ask you to plot, right? You know what's plot or not? Plot means you need to have the straight line, right? Do you still remember that?
Yeah.
So how do you plot? So first you need to have the x-axis. Am I right?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me just adjust it a little bit. Cannot. Let me just see if I can get a straight line out. Nope, there is no straight line, so I just draw the straight line myself. When you draw a straight line, you need to use a ruler, but for this, this is your x-axis, right?
Yeah.
Horizontal axis. Then you have your vertical axis, which is y. Okay? So now, you need to label your origin first, which is 0. Right?
Yeah.
Then good. Then after that, you have your 1 for the right hand side.
Yeah.
Then you have the 2, and then have the 3. Can you complete this labeling for me? Do it. Very good. You can use different colors. Okay, good. Continue. You are getting a bit off, huh? You know why?
Yeah, because the
Over here
line.
is so long. Over here is very short.
Yeah.
Do you know that this is big? I mean, this gap is big, but this gap is small.
Yeah,
So what you need to do?
Yeah.
You don't anyhow erase. Why you erase my 5 on top? Redo the negative part. Redo here. Redo this part. I say must be accurate enough. Yeah, erase the unnecessary stuff. No. The -1 is okay, but the -2 is too close. Give it some more space for the -2. Yep, about there, yeah, very good. About there, yes. Continue. Do it quickly. Yep, about there. So I suggest you to use a ruler lah if you can't estimate well. And by the way, this line is not supposed to go. You are not supposed to break the line. You are supposed to just. Can you see all the one is stop on the line, not protruding. Do you know what? How come you never follow? Don't go beyond, huh? You know what I'm trying to say or not? Okay? Good. Go for the Y now. Okay, my Y is not straight, so I'm trying to like get it straight first. It's pretty hard because I'm not using a ruler here, but I try my best. Okay, good, go. Label the Y. So is this question tested?
My teacher say it may be tested.
什么?
My teacher say it may be tested.
What's your meaning of maybe? Okay, no. This one is too close. You don't know how to estimate. You better use a ruler. Okay, I'm really fed up with you. You see that there is a big gap here, and then this gap is so small. And I ask you, this line should not be crossed. I say no crossing, right?
Yeah.
I said on the line, right? You better pay attention. You don't know how to do it, you can use your finger. Or if you still can't do it, you better come with a ruler. Done?
Yeah.
Then what about the negative side?
I'm gonna do that now.
I ask you whether you are done or not. Then you say yes. Obviously you are not done. You still have the negative side. Do it quick. Don't waste time. During your exam, you are going to use your ruler, okay? You don't anyhow use freehand. Then you end up with a very ugly drawing. You see your funny thing?
I draw on the wrong side.
Yeah lah, exactly. You need to standardize. You see your gap, you see your gap, you see your gap. You see your -1 is so large and then your -2 is so small. If you cannot, you can use your 2 finger. You can try to measure. Use your 2 finger or 1 finger. You go and look. Your -1 and -2 is so close. Now it's better. Okay, stop. Okay, now what you need to do, stop. So you need to label 0 and 1. So not label, plot. How do you plot 0 and 1? Okay, by the way, before you label, the first step you do is, so you have the table here, right? You have the table here, right?
Yeah.
This is the table. table you completed. So you need to convert this table 0, 1. You need to convert to 0, 1. And then you need to convert 1, 2 to 1, 2. And you need to convert, okay, I have no space, I want to do it atop 2 and 3. 2, 3. And then this is 3, 4. And then this is 4, 5. So you are going to do what? What you're going to do, you're going to plot this 5 points on this coordinate plane. Go. Where's your 0 and 1? Do for the first one, 0 and 1 first.
0, no.
Where's your 0 and 1? I say 0 and 1. I'm talking about this one. First one.
Yeah.
Where's your 0 and 1? Mark it with a cross. Why are you not writing anything?
Hey.
0 and 1. Where do you plot? This is 0.5, right?
Sir, can I try?
Erase your cross. Use a different color. Number 1, mark your 0 first.
Yeah,
Yep, you mark already. Mark your 1. Mark your 0 first.
yeah.
Mark your 1.
Yeah.
Where? Okay, good. Then where they intersect? So I see that you have a 0 here, and then I see you have a 1 here. So where they intersect? Okay, don't do 0 and 1 first. Do 1 and 2 first. Show me 1 and 2.
One and two.
Yeah. Where's your 1?
Yeah.
Okay. Then mark your 1 and 2 with a cross.
Sir, can I try? Okay. One of the first point is
No,
the
which-
time zone. So when the countries have a different
So which point is
time
their
zones, it's
intersection
supposed
point?
to be a disadvantage.
Yeah.
Time zone. Yeah. So it's like difficult to communicate.
Mark it with a
our
super big cross.
customer when it's like a different time zones and geography.
Continue with the rest. Continue with the 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, go. By the way, if you have a ruler, you are supposed to use a ruler, okay?
Yeah.
Wrong. So off. Use a ruler. Go and bring a ruler. By the way, that is not the tree. The tree is actually here. Hello. The tree is not here. This is not tree. The tree is here. The 2 is not here. The 2 is here. You are actually plotting the empty spot. Empty space. Use your ruler, huh? You don't anyhow estimate. Use your ruler. Are you using a ruler?
Yeah.
Okay. Continue.
Yeah.
Okay, stop. I think your this labeling 3, 4, 2, 3, they are not so smart. 1, 2 also not so smart. You know that your line is going to be here, right? Your 2, 3, you're not supposed to write here. Then your 2, 3, you're supposed... Are you listening?
Yeah.
Your 2, 3, you need to write here. So that... Are you listening?
Yeah.
So that your this blue line, or your green line will not touch the 2, 3. Same thing for the 3, 4. It's not so smart to write on the right. It's right here. Are you clear? And then for the 4, 5 is okay. For the 1, 2 is okay. So where is this 0 and 1? Can you see that every time your this must go up, right? Can you see you always go up, right?
Yeah.
Right? Your this always go up, right? So same thing, the 0 is here, so you just go up lah. So it should be here. So this is your 0 and 1. Are you clear?
Yeah.
So you have all these points. What you're going to do next? Link it up with a ruler. Are you clear?
Yeah.
That's your part B. Done. Okay, next question. Then a function, then all these. Your this picture is so blur. I'm going to. You really want to piss me off, right? That's why you send me this kind of picture, right?
No.
You go and look at your own. You go and look at your own. You go and look at your own picture. I can't read this picture.
I mean,
It's so blurred. Okay, you should be at page 6.
what? Like,
5.
oh,
Can you see?
yeah.
I can see, but I cannot read. Can you help me figure out what is all this?
A function of y and
Don't
x.
tell me. Don't tell me. Can you read from here now?
Yeah.
Okay. You look at the screen and tell me, like.
A function of y and of x has values of x and y as shown in the table below.
So read me the table.
So the one has x
Mm-hmm.
and 1
Mm-hmm.
and 2
Mm-hmm.
and 3
Mm-hmm.
and 4
Mm-hmm.
and 5.
Okay, below.
And the one is y
Mm-hmm.
5,
Mm-hmm.
6,
Mm-hmm.
7, 8,
Mm-hmm.
9.
Okay, good. A. Read.
Determine which of the following can be the function above.
Part 1.
Y minus 4x.
Okay. Part 2.
Y minus x plus 4.
You know what? This is incorrect. Next time, if you give me this kind of picture, I have to redo. And by the way, it's very easy for you to retake a photo. If it's not right, just retake. Or if you find that it's not good enough, you need to write on it and just show me. This is supposed to be y equals to x plus 4. And then for the first one, it's also wrong. The first one is y equals to 4x. Now, which one is the answer? Part 1 or part 2? They say determine which of the following. So, this fits this or this fits this. How do you decide? Do you know how to decide?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, good. So now you have this. This is called one set. X equals to 1, y equals to 5. This is called one set. Are you paying attention?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now let me just use this one set. Let me make use of y equals to 4x. Okay. Are you paying attention?
Yeah.
So if I write y equals to 4x, so now my x equals to 1, right? So I need to replace my x with 1. By the way, it's a times. So my y is equal to, according to here, when my x is equal to 1, my y equals to 5. So my y equals to 5. So now you have replaced your x equals to 1 and you have replaced your y equals to 5. So now, do you think this makes sense or not? 5 is equal to 4.
No.
Does it make sense?
No.
So if this does not make sense, so that means y equals to 4x is not the function that describe this. Now let's test the second one. Let's test this. Y is equal to x plus 4. So I'm going to replace x equals to 1. I'm going to replace y equals to 5. So equals to 5 equals to 1 plus 4. So 5 is equal to 5. Does this make sense?
Yeah.
So this makes sense. So if this makes sense, that means this is the function that describe this table. Okay? So instead of testing the first set, let's test the second set. Which one is the second set? This is your first. The second set is? This is your second set. So I'm going to test the second set. The second set is, what's the second set? X is equal to 2. And then y is equal to 6. Right? Hello.
Yeah.
What's the third set? Tell me the third set.
3.
What is 3? The third set is 3 and 7, but what is 3? What is 7?
That
How do you read this table, by the way? That means basically you don't know how to read this table. How do you read this table? This is the first set. This is the second set. This is the third set. So what's the meaning of first set? The meaning of first set is when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Can you see here? Can you see here? So what is the second set? What it means mathematically? Second set is here.
x equals to
X equals to
3.
when x equal to 3, y is equal to?
Y is equal to 4.
Very good. What's the third set?
The third set is when x equals to 4 and y equals to 5.
Very good. So come back to the fifth slide. Are you looking at fifth slide? Okay, good. So now let's go to the fifth slide. Fifth slide, yes. So now we have decided this is the function, right? Y equals to x plus 4 is the function, right? We have decided this is the function. Y equals to x plus 4 is the function. Are you paying attention? So now let me test the third set. So what the third set says? What the third set says? Mathematically, what this means?
It means like the third set when x equals to 3 and y equals to 7.
X equals to 3, y equals to 7, right? Are you paying attention or not?
Yeah.
Then now try with y equals to x plus 4. So now you replace x with, what's your x?
3.
X is 3. What's your y?
Y is 7.
So 7 is equal to 7. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, 7 equals to 7, it makes sense. So therefore, you have third set to verify. So basically, just now I verified the first set, I used third set to verify. So therefore, I double confirm y equals to x plus 4 is the function. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's test. Let's say I don't test with y equals to x plus 4. Let me test the first one. Y is equal to 4x. Let me test y equals to 4x. So, 4. Replace your x with here.
3,
Replace your y with
4.
your y is 4.
I mean 7.
Okay. So 7 is equal to 12. Does it make sense?
No.
Does not make sense. So therefore y equals to 4x is not the function. That's why you have a third set to verify. Y equals to 4x is not a function, while y equals to x plus 4 is the function. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Are you clear or not?
Mm.
Good. Then now it says use the function found in A. So the function is x is equal to x plus 4. So this is the function. So now it says x. Now x is what? I cannot read this one. Can you read? Here.
That one.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see, you also cannot read. You need to
X
refer.
equals 0.
Okay, x is equal to 0. So the function is actually y is equal to x plus 4. So now is x is equal to 0. So you replace x with x is equal to 0. Now you replace x with
0.
so the answer is
Four.
so y equals to 4 is this answer for part 2. Are you clear? Next. Okay, now comes to the super easy part already. Let me get it to the uploading. Go to slide 7.
Okay.
Can you see question 5 and 6? Can you see 5 and 6?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you have this p equals to x plus y over 3, right? So what you do, you just replace. So you replace, so p is equal to 9, correct? And then x is equal to 5. So you end up with 5 plus y is equal to 3. Then you use, what is this method? What is your second step? What is this method?
The arrow cross
Yes,
multiplication.
but before you do cross multiplication, you need to use 9 over 1. Right?
Yeah.
Because only when you have 9 over 1, then you can use the cross multiplication. Are you clear? But I don't see, I never see you show me this step. So
This
minus
one
1
I copy from my teacher one.
Who asked you to copy? So yours, you need to show me, are you paying attention or not?
Yeah, cause our teacher was teaching us this. So then
By the way, you can copy your teacher, but what I'm trying to say is like you can copy, but you need to show me your. I mean, let's say this is your school method. Let's say. You need to show me our method.
Okay.
So once you have this, you need to show me the arrow. Then after that, your first arrow is 5 plus y. The second arrow is 27. Then of course y is equal to 27 minus 5, so it's 22. So you are supposed to show me this. This is our method. I'm not stopping you from copying your teacher, but you need to show me our method.
Okay.
Okay, next. You put in the 800, you put in this. So you simplify first, which is 800 equals to 1, then this. 4 square is 16, right? So you simplify. Half times 16 is 8. So m is equal to, how do you get m? You see, You can copy your teacher. How do you get m? M is here, right?
Yeah.
How do you get m? Divide by 8, right?
Yeah.
Then over here you also must divide by 8. So that's why it's 100. You need to show me our method. Which I don't see. Next. Now once again, this is so blur. You are testing me.
Page 8.
8 and 9.
Okay.
No, hold on. I have not uploaded yet.
When I was just asking.
Let me upload them one by one. Go to 9. I'm uploading. Can you see your 8?
Yeah.
Yep, it's pretty blur, but I think it should be manageable. So they say you have x boys and x minus. So this is x boys.
Yeah.
And then this is x minus 9 girls. They say boys is group of 4. Girls is group of 5. How do you do this question? Why you divide by 4 here? Why you divide by 5 here? I don't see your working. No, are you going to tell me you copy from your teacher? Did you copy from your teacher? I'm asking you a question.
Yeah.
You copy from your teacher.
Mm.
So do you know how to do? What is our method to do such questions? Hello.
Customer admin management.
Are you thinking or you don't know? Or you forget?
I'm trying to remember.
I'm trying to recall, okay. Can you recall?
No.
Okay, good. So if they give you x and x minus 9, what example you give yourself? I remember I asked you, how many boys in your class, how many girls in your class? Am I right?
Yeah.
So how many boys in your class?
25.
Write down 25 boys. How many girls?
15.
15.
Yeah.
Now, boys form group of 4 according to your class. How many group in your class? So if I form groups of 4 for boys, how many groups of boys in your class?
Four group.
How do you get 4 group?
25.
Uh-huh.
25.
25 what?
25 guys.
How do you get? I'm asking you how do you get? I don't want to answer how do you get. How? Four in one group. How many groups?
20,
I ask you how.
24 divided by 25. Yeah.
Right by?
4.
Okay, good. Then now for the girls. Girls is group of 5. So how many girls in your class? How many groups of girls? So how many groups of girls now? So you have 15 girls and one group of 5. So how many groups in your how to find? How many groups of girls? Quick, in your class.
15
15.
divided by x minus 9.
I said groups of 5. What are you talking about?
I'll divide by 5.
Good. So now, are you listening or not? Now, the boys is not 25. Now the boys is replaced by how many? In this question?
X.
X. So it's no longer 25, it's X. So for the girls is no longer 15. The girls is replaced by
The girls is replaced by x minus 9.
good. So it's X minus 9. Then with this, how are you going to change your this just now? You are not going to sit there and then just be idle. So I have changed your 25 to X. I have changed your 15 to X minus 9. How are you going to change your 25 over 4? How are you going to change your 15 over 5? Write it down and do all the necessary erase. So what's the first answer? I don't get it.
X over 4.
You better write X over 4. Write it properly. Second one.
X minus 9 over 5.
Okay, good. So now they say you have a total of 9 group, right?
Yeah.
So this is, are you looking at the screen or not?
Yeah.
This is the boy group. This is the girls group. So they say you add to 9 groups. So that's why you add this 2 to 9. That's why you end up with this. Are you clear?
Yeah.
So are you clear how to do question already now? Next page. Question 9. Are you going to tell me question 9 you copy from your teacher? Without understanding it? Go to slide 10.
I'm on slide 10. The picture is loading.
Are you going to tell me you copy from your teacher and you don't know what is this?
This one is the distance that one,
Yep.
right?
So?
The distance.
Yeah lah, but I'm asking you. Yes, I'm asking you, do you understand what your teacher is? I mean, are you going to tell me you copy all these answer from your teacher?
The first few I wrote.
Which one you wrote? Okay. Can you rewrite it? They are so ugly I cannot tell. I don't know what you are writing. Okay, answer me. Why x over 20? Why not 20 over x? Why not 20x? Why not 20x? Or 20 over x? Why not? Why must be this? Why not this?
First to find time
To find time?
is distance
Mm-hmm.
over speed.
Very good. Very good. Continue.
Uh,
Continue your this part 2.
uh,
Okay, good. Part B. Are you going to tell me you copy from your teacher?
because I don't understand, so I asked him. But then he explained, I also don't understand.
Okay, good. So this is the time in hour, right? Can you see hour?
Yeah,
This is also the time in hour, right?
yeah.
So now they say the total traveling time is 50 minutes. 50 minutes. This is in minute or hour. The 50 minutes is in time in hour or in minutes. This one. Hello. Are you listening or not?
Yeah,
So this is 50 minutes, right?
yeah.
So 50 minutes, but your speed is, okay. Can you see that what's your unit here? What's the unit here for the above one?
This hour.
Is hour. Then what is your this 50 minute? What's the unit?
In minute.
Minute. So what you need to do?
Convert it to hour.
Can you convert the 50 minute to hour now? You just ignore your working first. You just redo this question. So the first step is you convert your minute to hour because your this part A is in hours. Convert now. You know how to convert or not? Hello, are you converting or not?
50 times 60.
50 times 60. Minute to hour is times. So your 50 minutes later you get 30,000. You get 3,000 hour. If you don't understand, you write down 1 hour is 60 minutes. Then you put it accordingly, use proportionality.
It's
5 hour.
okay.
Eraser. Now it's correct. But you still haven't figured out the hour for 50 minutes.
Five over 6.
Okay, good. Okay, before we continue, we just take a break. It's good. Okay, we take a break first. Okay. Come back in 5 minutes. Alright.
Okay.
Okay, see you in 5 minutes.